Look at Shapiro, you make me sick. You don't like freedom and look like a weirdo. Pay for his attorney general bid, but he thinks he's a hero. We ain't been hurting nobody, so why are you making him fearful? Fear-mongering, all posturing, meant for dividing and conquering. Wonder who sponsors him. Mr. Frisk and Search, I'm vomiting. Mind-boggling, it's false marketing. Want the Constitution toppling, but they wrong again. We just want freedom like soccer was blossoming, liberty prospering. You might have funding, but we have a movement, not icons or wine moms. Just real people wanting improvements, grassroots recruitment of anyone willing to do shit. Defending the Constitution, in 27 amendments I'm fluent. Joshy boy, you must be out your mind. You can't have the fucking laws redefined. Your movement is just some mom sipping wine. Our freedom's alright, you can't buy 'em. Don't you know blind can't lead the blind.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Roger, and today I will be showing you guys how to install the Magpul M LOK Handstop kit. And this installation will work for any of your M LOK type accessories that you will put on your M LOK handguard. So let's get straight into it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so this is the Magpul M LOK Handstop kit. The tools you're going to need is a 1/8 inch hex bit driver, or you can use some Allen wrenches. I have this particular hand stop kit on my AR pistol build, so I already know what the hex bolt screw size are. So this is the box. It also comes in FDE, OD green, and gray, and then I obviously went with black. So let's open this up and check out the contents. You have a booklet or owner's manual. Oh, installation kit. Pretty much don't need that. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. Just toss that to the side. You have your mounting hardwares, which is your screw, and your actual M LOK locking system itself. And you have one long piece, the front end piece, the rear piece, and then you have this middle piece, which you could replace this and make it this size with the little cinching plate. So essentially what this does is when you put it in your M LOK rail handguard, you take this little cinching plate right here and you press down on it, and it just expands these tabs outwards, so it cinches to your M LOK handguard. That's it for the stuff in the packaging. So I'm gonna put it on my Radical Firearms AR-15 rifle build. So let's go ahead and get that out. All right, and we're back. So I already got the upper removed from the lower, and where I'm going to mount it, it's going to be somewhere in this area, because I want to be able to access my pressure switch pads. So it's going to be somewhere right here. So I'm gonna just mock it up. There's nothing in the chamber or anything like that. It's removed. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and mock it up and see what feels comfortable to me. Maybe something like that. Only reason I'm not using the longer rail section is because I have smaller hands and it just wouldn't feel as comfortable. So I just got done mocking it up. I'm not going to use a middle piece at all, just because I think it feels a little bit better. You know, people are different. I have smaller hands, so this actually will fit. This actually will fit really good in my hands like that, with no middle slot. I can still operate my pads. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just do these two pieces and run with it for a while and see how I like it. But like I said, everybody has different size hands. Some people might need this piece, or some people might need the longer piece, and it's all on comfortability. What feels comfortable to you? What feels comfortable to me might not be comfortable for you guys. So just take that into consideration, and let's start mounting this thing up. All right, quick hack. put your screws in, put your M LOK locking system in. So you want these indentations facing your boat head like that, because essentially what it's going to do, it's going to go in like this, and then it's going to turn, and that is how it's going to lock, but on the inside of it. Let's get it threaded in a little bit so it doesn't fall out. So I went in, put it in like so. Get it threaded in, get it in place. So when you're first installing it, make sure your M LOK locking system is straight up and down, straight vertical. And just slide it in like that. And then the trick is pull outwards on it, so that M LOK locking system straight side to side like that, and then just pull outwards. Then you can start tightening it down, because if you don't, it's just going to just spin freely. And it might be a little bit of a pain, just a little bit, just because these screws have Loctite on them. Lock is facing sideways, and we're good to go. Tighten it down. Don't make it too tight. Alright, got one piece on. Now this is the tricky part, the one with 2 screws. Just like the one before, have it straight vertical, and then when you put it in the M LOK system, try to get it turned like that. Once you have it turned, press outwards so that M LOK locking system can lock onto it, and then you can start cinching down your screws. Okay, and there you have it, you guys. That's how you install M LOK accessories. This one, the rear one, was a little bit more difficult, just because you have 2 bolts to worry about, and so you got to sort of fiddle it one side, getting it tight down, then fiddle with the other side and get that tightened down, and then you just tighten them each down, couple quarter turns at a time or whole turns, and then it'll finally just cinch down on its own. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lower on, and it feels really good. As you can see, my hands are very small, and I can still maintain all my pressure switches. So let's get the lower on the upper, and I'm gonna tell you how it feels, function check everything, and we'll go from there. All right, and we're back. So let's get everything cleared. Final impressions of the Magpul M LOK Handstop kit. Feels really good. I like it. Like I said, I have one on my AR pistol build. I used the little middle extension that cinches down. This one, I think I might have to convert it over to this setup like this, because I can still have my front pointer finger at the very front, and then I can still cinch it into my shoulder. But other than that, it feels really good. Quality, it's Magpul. It'll probably last forever. It's a type of polymer. I don't know what type of polymer it is, but like I said, it's Magpul, so they're very well known in the gun industry. For 25 bucks, you can't beat it. Everybody is starting to go to a hand stop type, or a lower vertical foregrip, not the big tall ones that the military used to use back in the day. But I hope this video was informational, and if you do, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely have more content coming up, and a future update on this particular build itself. So hope you guys enjoy and stay away from our tyrannical government, and I'm out of here. Peace.